Crafting a scientific review involves selecting relevant literature, critically analyzing sources, and synthesizing findings. Key research insights include identifying gaps, evaluating methodologies, and understanding theoretical frameworks. This process ensures a thorough understanding of the topic, guiding the development of a coherent and impactful review. Understanding the scientific review assignment is crucial. It involves comprehending its purpose to synthesize existing research, identify gaps, and provide insights. This foundational knowledge guides your approach, influencing planning, analysis, and presentation. A well-executed review not only summarizes but critically evaluates and compares studies, setting the stage for meaningful contributions to your field. A scientific review critically synthesizes existing research, offering insights beyond summaries. It involves comparative analysis of methodologies, findings, and conclusions across studies. Additionally, it identifies research gaps and controversies, highlighting areas needing further investigation. This process is crucial for advancing knowledge and guiding future research directions in your field. Writing a scientific review demonstrates expertise by showcasing a deep understanding of your research area. It reveals the research landscape, identifying patterns, trends, and emerging themes. Additionally, it guides future research by providing a foundation for new hypotheses and empirical studies, ensuring a comprehensive approach to advancing knowledge. Effective preparation is crucial for a successful scientific review. It involves thorough planning to save time and ensure comprehensive coverage. This process includes identifying key literature, understanding methodologies, and setting clear objectives. Proper preparation lays the groundwork for a detailed analysis and insightful conclusions, ultimately enhancing the quality and impact of your research. Define your research question clearly by narrowing your focus. Transform broad topics into specific, manageable questions. Ensure relevance by verifying originality, researchability, and meaningful contribution to existing knowledge. For example, instead of cancer research, focus on recent advances in chimeric antigen receptor T-cell immunotherapy for treatment-resistant acute lymphoblastic leukemia in pediatric patients. Define inclusion criteria by setting a publication date range, focusing on peer-reviewed journals, specific methodologies, language, and geographic focus. Exclusion criteria should filter out outdated research, non-peer-reviewed sources, irrelevant populations, poor methodologies, and conflicts of interest. This ensures a focused, high-quality review with transparent selection. Select academic databases like PubMed for medical research, Web of Science for multidisciplinary studies, Scopus for citation analysis, and Google Scholar for accessibility. Use reference management tools such as Zotero, EndNote, or Mendeley to organize sources. Leverage advanced search features, medical subject headings, terms, and citation tracking for thorough literature coverage. Conducting a literature search systematically is crucial for comprehensive coverage and reproducibility. Develop a keyword list, including synonyms and subject-specific terms. Use Boolean operators like AND, OR, and NOT to refine searches. Document search terms, databases, dates, and results for transparency and future reference. Develop a robust search strategy by compiling exhaustive keyword lists, incorporating synonyms and subject-specific terms. Utilize Boolean operators like AND, OR, and NOT to refine searches, ensuring relevant literature is captured while excluding irrelevant results. Document all search terms, databases, and results for transparency and reproducibility. Begin with initial screening by reviewing titles and abstracts to filter out irrelevant sources. Proceed to full-text assessment for quality and methodological evaluation. Prioritize seminal works, highly cited papers, and recent breakthroughs. Utilize citation analysis to pinpoint influential studies, ensuring comprehensive coverage of critical sources. Effective critical reading transforms information into insight, enhancing analysis quality. Focus on understanding research aims, methodology, key findings, and conclusions. Record initial impressions, noting unclear points or methodological concerns. Assess relevance to your research question, providing context for deeper analysis and prioritizing detailed reading efforts. Begin by understanding core elements: research aims, methodology, key findings, and conclusions. Note initial impressions such as unclear points or surprising findings. Assess the study's relevance to your research question and objectives. This overview sets the stage for deeper analysis, guiding your focus and prioritizing detailed reading efforts. Evaluate the methodological rigor by examining study design, sample size, and statistical approaches. Assess data quality through collection methods and potential biases. Verify conclusion validity by ensuring data supports findings and acknowledging limitations. This critical evaluation determines the reliability and significance of sources, guiding the weight each study holds in your synthesis. Comprehensive documentation is crucial. Record key findings, methodologies, sample sizes, and statistical results with precise page references. Organize notes thematically or chronologically to aid synthesis. Cross-reference connections to identify relationships, contradictions, and emerging patterns in the literature. This structured approach ensures clarity and depth in your review, enhancing the narrative's coherence and impact. Synthesize your research by weaving together key findings into a cohesive narrative, highlight thematic connections, methodological insights, and chronological developments. Ensure your review advances understanding by clearly articulating the significance of each study and its contribution to the broader field. This approach not only informs but also engages your audience, fostering a deeper comprehension of the topic. Organize your review using thematic, methodological, or chronological frameworks. Start with an introduction outlining context, rationale, and objectives. In the method section, detail your search strategy and criteria. Results and discussion should focus on thematic synthesis. Conclude with implications and future directions, ensuring a logical flow throughout. Precision in writing involves using specific quantifiable language, such as exact statistics and effect sizes. Clarity requires concise sentences and defining technical terms. Objectivity demands presenting evidence without bias and acknowledging limitations. For instance, study X showed a 30% symptom reduction, p less than 0.001, n equals 247, yet its clinical significance is debatable. Critically analyze by comparing methodologies, findings, and interpretations across studies. Address controversies by examining conflicting results and unresolved questions. Guide future research by identifying gaps, suggesting methodological improvements, and proposing specific research directions. Ensure your review is polished by refining arguments, clarifying methodologies, and enhancing coherence. Verify all data and interpretations align with your thesis. Proofread meticulously for grammar and style consistency. Confirm all references are accurate and complete, adhering to the required citation style. This meticulous attention to detail elevates your work to a professional standard. Ensure citation accuracy by consistently applying the required style guide, such as APA or Harvard. Double-check author names, publication years, and page numbers. Prevent plagiarism by using detection software, paraphrasing effectively, and citing all sources of ideas, not just direct quotes, to maintain academic integrity. Ensure your work is logically structured and grammatically sound. Engage peers for unbiased feedback, enhancing clarity and depth. Systematically integrate their insights to refine your arguments and presentation, fostering a robust and polished final product. Ethical considerations in research reviews are crucial. Declare conflicts of interest, including financial or personal ties. Respect intellectual property by adhering to copyright laws and fair use. Maintain confidentiality of unpublished work, ensuring ethical boundaries are respected. Upholding these principles enhances the credibility and value of your scientific contributions. Avoid common pitfalls by ensuring thorough literature review and critical analysis. Prioritize clarity and coherence in your writing. Engage with diverse perspectives to enrich your insights. Regularly update your knowledge base to stay current with advancements. These practices will significantly enhance the quality and impact of your scientific review. Strategic planning is crucial. Start early with realistic timelines and maintain organized systems. Systematic organization involves meticulous notes, references, and version control to ensure clarity and prevent errors. Balanced critique requires fair evidence-based analysis, acknowledging both strengths and limitations. Aim to advance knowledge and inspire innovative research as excellence awaits you.